this is Kanishka Goel and welcome back to my channel. So आज की video is bit special because today I'm gonna do a traditional shoot. Yeah, for the first time, and I'm gonna show you how I take self portraits at home all by myself. So I take all my photos with iPhone 6, and the app I use after is Lightroom. So let's not waste further time and get in the video. So I chose this white background which I made using a simple white cloth because it will perfectly go with my clothes, and you can choose accordingly, depends on what clothes you are wearing. So now set up your tripod. If you don't have one, just don't worry. Use any table or any object whichever can help you to keep your phone stable. And now try to give different poses. And just open up your inner creativity and be free. That's how you get the perfect shot. So these are the few poses I tried and they turned out. I hope you liked the video and it was useful for you. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated for more such videos. And if you try to recreate such looks, do tag me on Instagram and follow me there. I post daily self portraits here. Thank you.